4 free tools you can use to speed up your website. The joke's on you if you think you can get away with a slow-loading website. We're long past the dial-up technology stage. When people visit a website nowadays, they expect it to load right away. Not in 5 seconds, not in 10 seconds, and certainly not in 1 minute. If you need help figuring out which tools you can use to speed up your website, then don't worry. In this presentation, you're going to get your answers. Let's begin. Number 1. Pingdom Website Test. This tool will help you figure out just how slow or fast your website is. Simply plug into your website's URL. Select the location you want to test from. Then hit the Start Test button. Wait a few seconds, and you'll be presented with a summary of your results. Go through the data so you can figure out what you need to do to improve your site's speed. Number 2. Cloudflare CDN. Cloudflare is one of the most popular content delivery networks, CDN, out there, thanks to its super affordable price tag. It's free. If you've got a lot of visitors from multiple countries, and you want to improve your page speed on their end, then a CDN is your answer. Instead of serving your website files from the other end of the globe, a CDN will serve your files from a server nearest your user's location. This logistically improves your website speed and improves your user's experience too. Number 3. W3 Total Cache. If you use WordPress for your website, then you absolutely need to install the W3 Total Cache plugin. It's free and it's easy to set up. If you get lost in the technical lingo, there are plenty of tutorials that can help you out with step-by-step instructions. Many developers and WordPress enthusiasts recommend this plugin to reduce your web page's load time. You can also save up to 80% of your bandwidth thanks to its minify and compression technology. Number 4. A3 Lazy Load. Lazy loading images work great for helping speed up websites. Normally, when a visitor goes to your website, all your website files are downloaded so it can be viewed on your browser. However, with an A3 Lazy Load plugin, the files will only be downloaded when your visitor scrolls down the page. It works especially great for content-heavy sites, which have tons of images and videos.